If you yourself are creative, or if you're type A and you love everything labeled, but you don't love the labels that are in the store, so you want to create your own labels, or do you have kids that are super creative? I have the absolute perfect gift idea for everyone who wants to be creative, everyone who wants stickers that you just cannot find anywhere else. Let me introduce you to this amazing printer. This is the PixCut S1 photo sticker printer and cutter. This is by Leanne, so huge thank you to Leanne for sponsoring today's video. If you're a planner girly, oh my gosh, the possibilities are endless for you creating your own stickers of your favorite characters, of you and your family, of you. I'm gonna show you a little bit of how to use the AI features and how to create your own stickers and photos and whatnot. Basically, you can just go to your homepage and you can go to the AI lab. They have all of these templates that you can use, which is how I created these ones right here. You can Disneyfy yourself. The list just goes on and on. You can just go down and scroll and look. You can also stylize the AI. So do you want American comics? Do you want Japanese manga? Do you want cyberpunk? Do you want flat illustration? Or you can just go on the homepage and just start creating. You have your fresh piece of paper right here, and you can just go to your AI lab, do one of these, or if you don't want to do the AI, you can upload your own photos. So for instance, my daughter loves Luigi. So let's go ahead, we're gonna put Luigi. I was just testing it and I ended up just doing one where I could have done like a whole sheet full of Mario characters for her or full of different Luigi poses, but I literally just got this from Walmart, removed the background, which I did on here, and it created this Luigi. You press the save button, you save it, and then you go back to upload. You can go to elements and you can look at all of the different elements that you can add. This is by far the coolest thing. You can be as creative as you want. They have animals, they have nature, holidays. So obviously the holiday season is here. These are great for gift giving tags. So if you want to put, for instance, I made this of myself, the little, well, I didn't make it, the printer made it. This little AI sticker of me. How cute is this? So like for this, I would do like every year I do pajamas. And then I know I said I wasn't gonna do it this year. And I didn't do it last year actually, but this year I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. But I always have the presents just all everywhere. And I somehow have to mark the present. So this is how I'm gonna mark the present this year. It's how I'm gonna do it. You can create tags for, sticker tags for your presents, and you can create them how you want it created. So again, if your kids love Snoopy, you can create Snoopy to from stickers for your packages, for their presents. You can create Moana, Disney, like whoever their favorite character is. Like I can create Luigi, whoever the fox is from Zootopia. Like I could do that. I could also, like I said, I have the ones of her with the characters. Like how freaking cool is that? This is so cool because this is a great additional little element to your gifts and your gift giving, and you can personalize yours. So say for Mother's Day, I can, instead of just giving my mom a wrapped gift, I can wrap her gift and then I can create a sticker of her and I, and then I can put that on the present. So as you see, it's done. And now it's going to come from behind and it's gonna come through here, and it is going to cut all of these stickers into the shapes that they are on this sheet. By the way, also, as it is printing, it's showing you exactly what step it is currently on. So it shows you exactly how it's, like, what process. This is so cool. I love watching stuff like this. So if you wanna watch the print magic happen, they let you do that as well, which I think is so cool. I'm someone who gets so excited over little things, and this right here is one of those little things that makes me so excited. So this is the printer straight out of the box, and this is what it looks like. Everything that you're gonna need to start creating your own stickers is included in this set, which I absolutely love. So you have your 4x6 photo paper, and then you also have your 4x7 sticker paper. And voila, how cute are these? I want to say a huge thank you to Leanne for sponsoring today's video. This right here is the PixCut S1 photo sticker printer and cutter. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Ava has been wanting one of these, my daughter, forever. And I finally am able to gift this to her, which she is going to be so ecstatic for. This is literally so cool for your kids' personalized birthday parties. You can create stickers and photos based on their favorite characters. You can create it yourself. I'm currently printing some stickers right now. Let me show you when they're done. Maybe you don't have a creative bone in your body and you're just like, you know what? I'm gonna let the professionals handle this. There are so many templates that you can just literally cut, paste. If you wanna make your own little adjustments, you can, but you can just literally take their template and you can print it and then have the printer cut the shapes out for you. It is so cool. This is one of the coolest inventions. And when they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do a video, I said, heck, this is something my daughter has been wishing for. I honestly didn't even know something like this existed where, and by the way, it just let me know that it's complete. We're like, literally, she loves Zootopia. They have in the AI feature, they have Zootopia. And it is a literal sticker. Do you guys see that? How cool is that? And then I made her into this little character. How cute. This was so much fun. Like, my daughter loves Snoopy, and now she has her own stickers. My daughter is literally going to scream when she sees what I made for her, or what this printer made for her. This one of me and my dad is like a really old picture, and it's our favorite picture of one another. And so I'm like, how cool is that? That now I can actually print this picture. I don't have to do it on the sticker paper. I can do it, and I can do it full size, and I can make a photo, and it can be this right here with us toasting wine glasses on the beach in front of a big old Christmas tree. And I can buy this really sweet sentimental frame. course, this is going to be linked down below in the description box. If I have any coupon codes, that's also going to be listed down below in the description box. I hope that you guys have a very, very, very amazing start to your holiday season. I love each and every single one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if this is something that you would absolutely love as well. I know this is, I'm kind of going in between because I want to gift this to my daughter for Christmas, but then part of me is like, I'm just gonna go ahead and give it to her now. But this is something that is like a Christmas gift that she is going to absolutely love, and she's probably gonna get more use out of it than I am. But I just, again, going in the app and seeing all of the really cool things that you can do and how you can make your favorite characters and their stickers, and you can create your own tags for your gifts. Like I just absolutely love it. I think that this is one of the coolest things I've ever owned. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.